Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Redmi mobile accessibility menu shortcut setting. Friends, you don't know how to use Redmi mobile accessibility menu shortcut setting. So friends, now let's see how to use it one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here and open your device phone additional setting. After your phone additional setting, date and time, language setting, you can use kaise shortcut setting you want to use, so you can use 3 finger screenshot setting, screen decoding setting, you can use accessibility setting. Friends, tap here and friends you can use vision setting, talk back, select to speak, display size, magnification setting, color correction, color and version setting. So friends, we will click here general setting and click here accessibility menu shortcut setting. Friends, you don't know how to use accessibility menu shortcut setting, friends, right click here and click here allow option. Friends, OK option, click here. Friends, right side in your Redmi mobile you can check here man icon. This man icon, friends, tap here and you can use Google Assistant setting, accessibility setting. Friends, if you click your phone power setting, friends, one by one I will show you, I will tell you all setting how to use. Okay, first we will click your phone power setting. You can on aeroplane mode, you can on silent mode. If you click here, silent mode will on, and again click here, you can remove your silent mode. Silent mode is off. If you click here aeroplane mode setting, you can on. Friends, tap here, your phone will off without press button, but after off you will have to press button, then your phone will on. If you click here reboot option, phone will off automatic, phone will on automatic without press any button. Second option, friends, click here volume setting. If you click here volume without press volume button, friends, you can adjust your device volume. Tap here, you can increase your volume, you can decrease volume in Redmi mobile. Again click here, friends, recent app. Example, friends, you on phone call app, you own your cleaner app, you own phone setting app, you own camera app. Friends, don't use button navigation setting. Click here man icon, recent, you can check recent app, you can close your recent app, you can own your recent app. Again click here, friends, without press any screen or any button, tap here, you can lock the screen. Phone will lock, phone screen will lock automatic. If you click here, so friends, you can on mobile data, iPad, torch, airplane mode, you can increase, decrease brightness and volume. Again click here, friends, notification, you have notification, click here, you can check notification with shortcut setting. Last, you can take a screenshot with 3 finger, without 3 finger. Friends, example, you want to take a screenshot without 3 finger, click here, take a screenshot easily. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use Redmi mobile accessibility menu shortcut setting. And if you click here accessibility setting, so friends, first of all you can use Google Assistant setting and you don't want to use, remove it, click here and you can remove accessibility menu and man icon will remove from your screen. So like that friends, you can use Redmi mobile accessibility menu shortcut setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in accessibility menu shortcut setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.